How to fix Discord audio cutting out. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this you have to go directly to apps or applications. Here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. So you will search now just for Discord. When you found Discord, just open it like this, then go directly to storage. On storage, go to clear data, click OK and go back, and click on force stop and click OK. Don't forget the last thing is to go into Play Store and updating your Discord again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like, also subscribing in our channel, and see you in another video.